How to remove save card from Amazon. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Amazon application, and it will lead you here to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see four different options. Now here you'll see the home, the profile, the cart, and of course the three dash lines there. But I want you to go here to your profile area, and here you will see like this. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the upper part, you'll see four different options again. You'll see your orders, buy again, your account, and your list. So tap on your account here, and it will lead you here. Now, what I want you to do next is to scroll down up until you see the Amazon Wallet section. Now, here on this section, you'll see two options. You will see Manage Payment Options and View Balance. So, tap on Manage Payment Options here, and here you'll see Cards and Account, and under that, you will see your card. Now, beside that card, you will see Remove Card. Right? Now, so all you have to do is to tap on that and tap on your password to confirm everything and to verify that it's you who is using the application. And basically that is how you remove saved card from Amazon. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.